Alright, at least one of these frames has got to be good enough for like a profile picture. Oh, right. The video is worth, well, it depends on how long the video is, but if it's exactly, I don't know, like fucking a minute, then that's 30 times 60, which is, I don't want to think about it. I'm too busy right now. It's 180. So 180 frames I have. And each of those frames is worth 1,000 words. At least. I'm just trying to get a fucking profile. My headphones. Can't see. How long was I gonna fuck? Fuck, I already passed the thing. So it's gonna be, okay, if we record for 2 minutes, that'll be 180 times 2, which is, oh my god. You do 20 plus 16, which is 36, and then it'd be 360 seconds. Wait, I should fucking know that. That's, like, I use that all the time for, like, circles. Oh my god, my ass is hurting. Shit. I'm not gonna talk about the How do I know when it's, like, the profile picture? Because it's gonna go in the fucking circuit, too, on YouTube. So I have to imagine. And then I have to leave space within the aspect ratio I'm capturing this shit in for YouTube to be like, nope, only this much, and you can't zoom out. You can't get more space than the circle we cut into your aspect ratio, rather than letting you zoom out to, you know, like account for our boundaries against self-harm on YouTube. That's it's not, because this is serious. Alright, fuck. It's serious.